Hi guys, it's Triple C. Today we're gonna look at a mSATA to regular SATA adapter. Basically, I got this off online auction. It doesn't really have a brand. It's really just a, I guess, no name. It's a really simple PCB board, and I can convert your mSATA SSDs to a SATA standard size. That way you can use it on your computers, laptops, and stuff like that. It comes with a really crappy package, but that's okay. Keep it protected, good enough. So, let's look at this thing. Looks really simple. It's a plastic casing. It doesn't really have any other protective anything, it's just the PCB itself. But I guess it doesn't need anything fancy. Look at this. It's got a standoffs for mSATA. That's good enough, because that's what I bought it for. Now you can read the motto there. Anyway, so this is mSATA here, and the idea is to put your mSATA SSD and have a security screw onto the board, which it conveniently comes with 2 screws for that. And then here is a regular SATA port that you can use it for your laptop. And of course, the size will be pretty much the same as the regular 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD. Cool. So we're gonna install this, and I'm gonna put it on my spare laptop, and then we see how well it goes. All right. There you go. So that's that. The mSATA is on to the adapter. It actually looks kind of neat. Cool. Okay, so it does come with those little screws that you can secure this PCB onto the casing. So I guess we'll do that exactly. It fits perfectly right into the thing. So that's good. Alright, let's put it on, and those screws are tiny. I'm gonna need to use a different bit. There we go. So what this one do? I guess so. It's one of those I don't know if you can see it from. It's one of those really sharp screws, because you're gonna screw it into the plastic casing. Yeah, this bit is no good. I'm gonna get an even smaller one if I have one. Looks like I might. Let's see if this one works. Ah, that'll do. Go in. Alright, so that's that. It feels kind of cheap, but it looks okay. It looks kind of plain though. Ah, right. You know, the Monster energy drink is actually just recently released here in Taiwan. And then for the promotion, they give you those stickers. And I got a bunch of them, and I've been looking for somewhere to use it on. So I guess we found ourselves a reason to use those stickers on. Why not, right? It's plain anyway. Alright, Monster brand SSDs. Cool. Nice. So I guess let's put this hard drive into the laptop. Nice. Alright. Just put this inside. What the? Oh man, it just ripped. thing's not that old. At least you don't need that to take the hard drive out, so no big deal. So it just fits in perfectly normal. Alright, screw this thing back on. Cool. You know, I still like this traditional, I should say old school way of making laptops, where you can easily do replacements. Look at this. CPU cooler, everything is exposed. You can easily do repairs, replacements. Here's the Wi-Fi card. Anyway, I'll open the thing out because I got the extra thing of RAM. So let's put that in. Good stuff. Alright. Did I put it in right? Doesn't look right. Oh well, I guess it's okay. Look how easy it is. Take out a few screws. No messing around. Enough vents and everything. Enough space for cooling. But obviously, the laptop is much larger if you want these things. But a lot of times, it's a good compromise. Because you trade for reliability, really. The components today doesn't get very hot anymore. So soon enough, the concept of needing a lot of space for cooling will truly be a thing of the past. Actually, a lot of things are already like that. I think so anyway. Alright, I'll just quickly put these screws on. Then we should put operating system in it, and let's see if the mSATA to SATA adapter is any good. Well, lucky thing about it is its last installation works just fine on this laptop. I guess it's the same family of chipset or something like that, and it just loads up. After a little while, install some of the drivers, everything runs just fine. So yeah, that's pretty good. Quick startup. So yeah, I already installed the Crystal Mark, so we're gonna check it out to see its performance on Crystal Mark over the mSATA 2 SATA adapter on this Fujitsu. What's the model? Fujitsu AH531 laptop, which it has an NVIDIA chipset, I think. Let me double check. Yeah, let's just run that CPU Z. Where are you? Here's CPU Z. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so here we go. This is a Fujitsu Lightbook. It says A series AH531 laptop. It has a Intel Core i5-2410M processor, which is a dual core with a 4 threads. I think it's a Sandy Bridge. It says right there. It's rather old, but it's not slow by any means. And then it has an NVIDIA video card. Well, it's got an Intel in it and an NVIDIA GT525M graphics chip, which is okay. No, it's not great. It's not terrible. It's just fine. But the size is right on this laptop. Type's fine. So, with the SSD in it, it definitely helps with a lot of stuff. And then the screen is okay, Anyway, so here's Crystal Mark. So let's check out its performance. We just run everything here. Wow, I haven't done benchmark like this in such a long time. Kinda miss it. The times where you do a lot of benchmarks and stuff. I'm just looking at my screen here. I noticed something that you probably did too. What the heck is that on the left? Yeah, I know. It does look like, you know, but it's not what you think. This thing is from 7-Eleven. I might as well talk about it. Every once in a while, 7-Eleven had those prize. Usually figurines or toys and things like that. It's just like those Nissan car toys that I got from some months ago, or I should say last year, where you buy the coffee, you collect those stickers, then you can exchange for a figurine or something like that. So this is one of those figurines. It's the Chinese New Year themed. I think she has a name, but you know, I don't really know right now. So it comes with the figurine, and it comes with this storage box here. So it's just a simple plastic storage box, but it's still nice. You can have her sit on the box. So it's a figurine in your house. That's alright. You can make her sit on other stuff. You know. Anyway. Yeah, so hey, the read speed's not too bad. 555.9 megabytes a second. I guess we'll just wait till it's write speed. But with that read speed, I think, yeah, the SSD is already running its full potential basically, shouldn't it? Wonder what am I gonna do with all those monster stickers? I still got a bunch of them. I guess I can keep it for future use. Maybe I can put it on my bicycle and make it 5 more horsepower onto it.
Now, at this point, I'm used to probably put some pretty cool music.
470 megabytes a second write, 555 megabytes a second read. You know, this is proper. Not much or any performance is lost from using an adapter. This is great. Wow. So there you have it. A no-name mSATA to SATA adapter with a 128 gigabyte of mSATA SSD installed onto it and running on a Sandy Bridge based laptop, which is a few years old. And yeah, this is the performance you're looking at right now. It's great.